Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best BW2 Hair Powder Lightener is probably one of the most versatile and effective hair lightening powders on the market, designed for professional use, allowing for precise and customizable lightening results whether you're aiming for subtle highlights, a full balayage, or even dramatic color transformations, making it a go-to choice for stylists and home users alike seeking salon-quality bleaching without compromising hair health. Number 5. MANIC Panic Flash Lightening Bleach Kit. Ready to transform your look? Our powerful lightening kit is designed to lift your dark hair up to 7 levels. Get ready for a dramatic change. Experience the super strength of our 40-volume developer and bleach powder. It's formulated for maximum lift, even on the darkest hair. This kit is your first step to achieving any vibrant color you desire. It effectively lightens your hair, creating the perfect canvas for your next style. We believe in beauty without compromise. Our formula is proudly vegan and cruelty-free, so you can feel good about your choice. Achieve professional-level results in the comfort of your own home. Our kit provides everything you need for a successful lightening experience. For those with dark hair looking for a significant lift, this is your go-to solution. It's the ultimate tool for a brighter, bolder you. What we like? This product offers a powerful 40-volume developer for maximum lift. It can lighten hair up to 7 levels, making it ideal for drastic color changes. If you're looking for a potent, ethically produced option for significant lightening, this is a great choice. What people say. This product is a great lightener for hair. It is easy to use and provides excellent results. The powder lightener is effective for achieving desired hair color. Number 4. L'Oréal Technique Quick Blue Bleach. Discover the power of L'Oréal Technique Quick Blue, a professional hair bleaching powder designed for exceptional results. Its innovative formula ensures a smooth application experience. Say goodbye to messy applications. This bleach features a no-drip formula, allowing for precise control and a cleaner process from start to finish. Experience superior lightening action. It's formulated to lift hair color effectively, providing extra strength for dramatic transformations. Achieve significant color changes with ease. It can lift hair color up to an impressive 7 levels, offering versatility for various styling needs. This is a high-performance product trusted by professionals. Achieve salon-quality results in the comfort of your own space with this single application solution. What we like? Experience a unique no-drip formula for a cleaner, more controlled application. It provides extra strength lightening, lifting up to 7 levels. If you prioritize ease of use and minimal mess during the lightening process, this professional-grade option is perfect for you. What people say. This product is a great lightener for hair. It is easy to use and provides excellent results. The powder lightener is effective for achieving a lighter shade of hair color. Number 3. COLORCHARM Powder Hair Lightener. Achieve up to 7 levels of lift with our advanced powder hair lightener. Its dust-free formula ensures a clean and comfortable experience. This powerful formula allows for significant lightening, giving you the freedom to create your perfect shade. Enjoy a smooth and controlled process. Experience a cleaner application with our dust-free powder. It minimizes mess and airborne particles for your comfort during use. Get salon-quality results without leaving your home. This lightener provides exceptional lift and is easy to work with. Whether you're aiming for subtle highlights or a full transformation, this product delivers consistent and effective lightening. It's designed for optimal performance. Please note that the packaging may differ from what is shown. Rest assured, the quality and performance of the product remain the same. What we like? Enjoy a dust-free formula for a safer and more pleasant working environment. It offers professional quality lightening, lifting up to 7 levels. If you're a stylist or a home user who values a cleaner mixing experience and reliable results, this is an excellent selection. What people say. This product is a great lightener that works well for bleaching. It is easy to use and provides good results for hair lightening. The powder lightener is effective in achieving desired hair color changes. Number 2. COLORCHARM Powder Hair Lightener. Achieve up to 7 levels of lift with our advanced powder hair lightener. It provides powerful results for your desired hair color transformation. Experience a cleaner application with its dust-free formula. This makes the lightening process more comfortable and manageable for you. Get professional-level lightening results without leaving your home. It's designed for ease of use and exceptional performance. This lightener offers significant lifting power, allowing for versatile styling and color options. Achieve the perfect blonde shade you've been dreaming of. Its user-friendly design ensures a smooth and efficient lightening experience. Enjoy beautiful, lifted hair with minimal hassle. What we like. This option also boasts a dust-free formula, ensuring a comfortable and safe application. It delivers professional-grade results, lifting hair up to 7 levels. If you appreciate a clean, manageable powder and consistent, high-performance lightening, consider this product. What people say. This product is a great lightener and works very well. It is easy to use and provides excellent results. The powder lightener is effective for lifting hair color. Number 1. Clairol Professional Pure White 20 Volume Developer. Discover the power of our 20 volume developer. It's expertly formulated to lift your hair color gently and effectively. Say goodbye to gray with confidence. This developer ensures seamless gray blending for a natural, vibrant look. Experience salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home. Achieve the perfect shade every time. Our advanced formula is designed to be kind to your hair while delivering exceptional lightening power. Whether you're aiming for subtle highlights or a complete color transformation, this is the ideal choice for beautiful lightening. Trust in a product that delivers consistent and predictable results. It's the professional's choice for a reason. What we like. This product features a 20 volume developer, offering a gentler approach to lightening. It's also effective for gray coverage, providing versatility. If you need subtle lightening, root touch-ups, or are looking to blend gray hair seamlessly, this developer is a suitable choice. What people say. It is a good product that works well. This product is easy to use and provides great results. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.